It's Jonathan from Bullet Motorsports. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful 1990 Corvette ZR1. It's powered by the LT5 6-speed manual transmission. This is the powerhouse. They call it the king of the hill for a reason. We're going to go into full details and try to get out of this wind and extreme heat in Florida. It's about 101 today. Let you decide if this is the right ride for you. If you want to find out full details, click on the link below. We can offer financing, transportation, and it'll also let you know if it's going to auction or if we're going to retail it. Let's do this. Overall condition, I'd rate this a 7 out of 10, 6.5 to 7 out of 10. It has had some panels resprayed, does have brand new tires, wheels are in great shape, has $10,000 in recent receipts, which we'll showcase in the gallery below, along with underside shots. I would say that the negatives on this one, which are very minimal, would be the windscreen is starting to haze, which is common. You can replace it with a factory style Corvette windscreen. We were quoted at $500 to do so, but we are way into this car, so unfortunately, it's turnkey mechanically, but some of the exterior components you're gonna have to go into. Engine bay is extremely clean. Front bumper is very nice. Your badging is proper. All of your paint shows very well, and the rubber is very nice still. Interior shows great. I mean, your bolsters look good. I see a small imperfection right here, which is common when you're getting in and out of the car. Factory shifter in place, 2 sets of keys, and all the service receipts. So you do have a heads-up display, and that's why that glass looks like that, so that the heads-up can be visible. Rear glass section is extremely clean. And please take a moment to look underneath in our gallery. You're gonna see how dry it is and how nice it is. All right. Rear end shows very well. Rear bumper still is original paint. This is where you fill it up. You can open that up, and you also have 2 storage bins back here. Rear end's extremely clean. You got your ZR1 badging right here. And these are really fun to drive. For 1990, this was a powerhouse. Passenger side shows very well. All of your ride controls still work. And then your additional power switch works as well. So that's gonna turn on another set of injectors. I'm gonna start it right now. Sounds really good. Let's jump in and go for a ride. Oh yeah, may as well show you the engine. Let's take a look under the hood. So there's your LT5 32 valve. Top end was pulled so they can get to the injectors, and it was completely serviced. So when you look at those service receipts, you're going to see how detailed they went into it. I mean, putting $10,000 into something like this is really bringing it to the next level. Hood shows very well. It's running nicely. Let's jump in. We'll turn the air on. Does the air work? Yeah, nice, beautiful. We're inside right now. Steering wheel is extremely nice. Horn works. You've got your shifter here. To go into reverse, you're just gonna lift up and bring it back. Here's your engine power switch. So this will keep 1 set of injectors on, and then that'll put on 2. Your emergency brake is over here, and all you do is you pull up, get a little bit of tension, push the button, and you're able to release it, and it works as it should. Tack works. It is showing we have 20 miles till empty, so that means we have like 5 miles after this test drive. Glove box is right here, and you do have some additional documents in there. AC is cold. You could check multiple things right here. So you can see this, the screen is changing. So that's 40,000 total miles. We've got great oil pressure, and as I said, $10,000 in recent service. So this is a great investment piece that you can actually drive and bring to the next level. Right now we're inside. The windscreen is not bad, but when you're out in the sun, you can actually see that hazing that's starting to happen. Top portion is very nice, comes off easily, but the gaskets are original, so we did not want to pull it off. Rear section is very clean, and you do have your storage boxes. And then you can pull that that portion right there to hide whatever you got going on. So say you park somewhere and you don't want someone to see all the trophies from your car shows, you can hide them. All right, let's take it for a spin. Clutch is extremely easy. I'm just pulling out. So we've got this BMW M5 with Remus exhaust going on Bring a Trailer. We have this Lightning right here. I said I wasn't going to sell it, but a gentleman that just bought our 86 GN is actually going to purchase that too. That's the best detail in the world, East Side Detailing. So we're going to put this into performance mode.
Full power.
It's on full power right now. Oh yeah, brakes feel good because they've all been serviced. Nice corner here. We're gonna go over some bumps. So in performance mode, it's gonna adjust the suspension. It's gonna be a little bit more firm. You can shift it on the fly, and you can see that there's a lot more play. So when you go into basically tour, it's a little bit more floaty versus your performance mode, where it actually tightens up the suspension. We'll take a left here.
We'll do that. Did you like that?
Yeah, I did. It was nice. My fix is done for the day.
Yeah.
Clutch feels great, as I said before. You can see the, let's see if you can tell the difference. I think it's to do when you're actually in throttle. All right, so we're in regular mode. Yeah, you can feel the difference.
Yeah.
So it opens up a second set of injectors. And it also changes the tuning parameter as well. Steering is very nice. Wow.
Yeah, it's a race car.
Yeah, pretty much.
From 1990.
These are the, if you look at old YouTube videos, you're gonna see videos of guys in Europe going 170 miles an hour top speed running with these. It's neat. This is a retro piece. And they stopped production because it costs so much money in 95. We got cup holders here. You have a release for your glass as well. I have got the yes, I have the engine on full power because it's necessary. You have fog lights, your dimmer for your screen, which is not messed up, and the radio
Works.
It works.
Yeah, but the antenna's in the...
We need to put the antenna up. Okay. That's a lot of traffic.
Coming out off of pit lane.
Feels good. It's usable power.
Keeps up with traffic.
It definitely does. Make sure this guy doesn't get over. Oh, it's my neighbor. Healthy.
Yeah. Well taken care of.
We're gonna turn left here and get some outside shots for you. If you have any questions about this ride or any of our inventory, don't hesitate to give us a call. 954-363-2261. This thing drives great. I'm extremely pleased with it. You can jump in it if you guys want to fly in. This is definitely one of those ones you could drive back. Very comfortable. and you can see the turn signals working there. I have not tried the headlights yet, but we could do that during the video. You get your Corvette emblem or insignia right here, and the seats are very comfortable, and they do have multi-controls. You also have, yeah, that's your pump. Which I don't know if this one works.
Yeah, on both sides.
Yeah, it does work. I feel it. Wow. Very cool. Next clips, acceleration, performance mode.
We're going fast.
We're gonna go over some bumps here. This is our common route for test drives. Also, a lot of people like to do U-turns here.
Yeah,
so.
a lot of people make wrong turns.
Here are the bumps. Nice and smooth. There's a divot. Yeah. She's good. You could feel, if you get it to the right spot in the throttle, where the linear curve is.
Second projector opens.
Yeah. Brakes are great. We'll keep it in second here. Feels good. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. Enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. Please subscribe so we can give you more great content just like this.